Hi, in this video, let's continue our discussion about uh, the new classes of function, and one of which is absolute value function. Absolute value function is a function f defined by the equation. It's a function f, that's a function f defined by the equation f of x equals the absolute value of x. So, pag ingani ang equation nga mag-define sa function, so that function is called absolute value function. This symbol is very familiar to us. This one is absolute value. So of course, the domain of this function f, so unsa man tong mga value sa x na pwede na to i-plug in dere, so that our f of x will be defined. So now, by definition, the domain is the set of all real numbers. So, pasatan is set of all real numbers. So, tanang real numbers. Or, in symbols, we can have this one. So, this is the symbol for set of all real numbers. In other words, bisa unsa nga number ang pwede nimo ipasok diha. So, walay problema. Let's say 1. So, of course, that's 1. So, ang answer on absolute value is 1. For 0, so of course, the answer is 0. And so on. You can have negative 10 if you want. Or pwede pod decimal, so negative 12.5, so negative 12.5, so the answer will be 12.5. So any number that you plug in here for x, f of x will be defined. Okay, so nagid siya real number nga answer. Now so that's the domain. Okay, and the range now is defined to be the set of all y such that y must be greater than or equal to 0. So, since the value of this, or the value of this f of x, which is actually our y, must be, of course, it must be greater than or equal to 0. Because by definition, absolute value of x, the value of that is greater than or equal to 0, right? Kaya masin negative yung may butang diha, positive yun ang answer. Kung 0, 0. So, in other words, the value of this is greater than or equal to 0. Okay? So, kana siya, y man na. So, greater than or equal to 0. So, that's why kini. So, that's the range. Or in interval notation, this is this one, closed. Okay, closed, then 0, then to positive infinity. So, let's, draw this one, or let's try this in our graphing calculator. So that would be absolute value of x. Okay, so this is the graph for the absolute value of x. So it's like letter V. Okay, so we have this, and then okay, it's letter V. Okay, it's not so perfect. So this one is the graph of f. Okay, I remember the equation of this ray that tends towards the right is that's only a part of the equation y equals x, and this one is a part of the equation of the line having an equation negative y equals negative x. Okay, so napanay sumpay dira, and similar for that. So kani nga line, part lang ni siya sa line nga na equation negative x. Similarly for this, so kini y equals x. So this one here is only just a part of the line having this equation. So kini gitunga nila ang kini gitunga niya ang first quadrant, yang kini gitunga niya ang second quadrant. So to combine, mura siya letter V. Now okay. So the domain here is we have the domain is the set of all x. Okay, this one. So the domain is the set of all x. So you can choose any value of x here, so that we have a corresponding point. So we have a value of f of x, or you can choose 0, so we have a corresponding f of x, so there are a point, so okay lang. So and so on and so forth. You can choose also negative numbers with corresponding point, and then you have a corresponding value of y. So meaning ang value sa so atong domain now is, so ang domain kay the domain of f is the set of all real number. So bisan sa nga real number ang pwede, pero ang range niya kay gikan lang siya diha pataas. Okay, so paano gid siya dito, gikan lang siya diha, and so the domain is the range is from so ang range lang niya kay y sa i-collect nimo tanan mga y or mga f of x na greater than equal to 0. So apil ni, and so on and so forth. So i-collect ni tanan paingon dito mo na tong range sa f. So that's why inani ang arrow niya. So kani mo ni siyang arrow nga gikan sa 0, okay, gikan sa 0 paingon sa positive infinity. Okay, and this one is the set of all real numbers. That's the range. Okay, so that's the absolute value function. Now I will give you an example here. How do we find the function which is a little bit absolute value function, which is a little bit different? Okay, so kani nga example, the range may be somewhat different from what we have defined here. Kay kini siya nga range lang ni siya for the function f defined by this. So kanang x lang sa sulod. How about lahi ang expression sulod? So ang atong range medyo lahi ang our range will be a little bit different, but the domain is still the set of all real numbers. Okay, so example, we have this. So we find the domain of range of the function f defined by f of x equals the absolute value of x plus 2. Okay, let's make it simple. Square root absolute value of x plus 1. Okay, so the domain, so ang domain ani ron simple lang, no? Unsa man tong mga value sa x nga pwede na to ipuli. Okay, so may imagine naman nimo unsa na nga mga value, no? Unsa man pwede to ipuli diha. So meaning diha, so that our f of x will be defined na gid siya real number nga answer. So intuitively makita nato nga tanan mga value sa x biskan unsa. Okay, pwede 0, pwede 1, pwede negative 2.5 and so on, negative 0.999. Okay, pag abot dire mag absolute value mag plus 1, still your answer will be defined. So in other words, the domain is automatically the domain is, or in symbols we have will be equal to the set of all real numbers. So tanang real numbers pwede nimo mabutang diha. So sa panang number. Pero ang range lang ang medyo naglahi, no? Kay remember the translation what we have discussed in our lecture 0. Pag nag plus 1 ka na, mo translate ning imuhang kini. So ang kini, so ang graph ani kay kaniman, so mo translate ni siya pag mag plus 1 meaning musaka siya 1 unit up. So ang bag-o na graph karon kay paana na. So na siya sa 1 nagsugod. So ang range gyud kay murag malahi na pud siya. So so we have the range now. Now for the range unsa man ang sa range? Now for the range, sa definition nato kay greater than or equal to 0. Mga y daw nga greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so kini greater than or equal to 0. Unya mag plus 1 man ka pirmi. Okay. So meaning ang mga value sa y nimo unsa na? Ang mga value sa y nimo ron, okay, instead mo greater than or equal to 0, mag plus 1 ka. So may mo siyang y plus 1 na greater than or equal to 1. Since, okay, remember, since ang kini kay kuan man nino, pareho man sila na. Okay, mo kay y ra man na siya. So kung ang square root ni absolute value of x must be greater than or equal to 0. So kung mag plus 1 ka, so mag plus 1 bukas sa pika side, so may mo na siyang absolute value plus 1 greater than or equal to 1. So meaning ang mga value ani, so meaning kini kay greater than or equal to 1. Okay? Makita po na nimo sa graph. Okay, so let's graph. So kung plus na to ni siya 1 plus 1, this will become, okay, maing ani na siya. Okay? So nisaka na, gikan diha sa 0, nisaka na siya 1. V gyapon siya pero nisaka lang. Okay? Okay, so mo na tong sa translation. So if we graph this one, remember si dagway niya, so musaka na siya, no? Gikan na siya kang 1. So musaka na siya, di ba? Manang translation basta nag plus 1 gani ka, okay, musaka ang imong original function og 1 unit up. So ana nang bag-o nga so pareha ra gyapon sa shape V gyapon. Okay. So klaro nga ang domain kay mo gyapon. So ang domain kay all real numbers, while the range now is gikan na siya diri, no? Gikan diha pasaka na. So lahi na gyud siya, no? So magsugod na sa 1, okay? While the domain is the set of all real numbers. So the domain of f is set of all real numbers, while the range now kay gikan na siya, instead na 0 greater than equal to 0, may mo na siyang gikan sa 1 paingon sa taas, no? So ang range karon may mo na siyang range of f is equal to, asa na magsugod? gikan na siya sa 1 paingon sa infinity. Ana. So muna nang range niya. So meaning the range now is the set of all mo man to no, ang range ana, or in other words this is set of all y such that y is greater than or equal to 1. So this is the range. So i-collect nimo ni tanan, i-collect na nimo tanan, mo na ni siya. So mo na ni kani, then mo na siya. So mo na ang range niya. So that will be the domain and range for that particular function. Okay, so I'll give you another example before we end. So this is example number 1. Example number 2, you have f of x. Find the domain and range again. So x plus 2 plus 1. So here, it's a little bit different. Nana siya translation o nana po siya shifting. Okay? If you can still remember our lecture 0. So, so the domain is, of course, unsa man itong mga domain? The set of, so the domain of f is the set of all x such that x is any real number. In other words, this one is set of all real numbers. So, mura man na sila, no? So in other words, bisa unsa nga number imo i-plug in. So pag plus 2, absolute value, and then pag plus 1, still you have a real number answer. So any value of x will do. Okay, so walay restriction. So walay bawal ni ana. Bisa unsa nga number imo i-isipan, pwede nimo ma-plug in. Kay ang answer ana ron pag i-operate nimo is real number. Okay? And the domain and the range now is, so the range of f is a little bit different, so let's be careful with this. So remember to last time, if you can still remember, this one, tanaw ni mong sulod, so mo shift imong graph to the left. So the same gyapon v ang graph, pero mo shift siya to the left 2 units. So musibog siya og 2 units. So gikan diha sa tunga, mo move na siya dire og 2. So 1, negative 1, then negative 2 to the left man. Nya pagkahuman na naman siya dire. So gikan diha mo shift siya paingon sa left. So maing ana, di ba? Pag plus kay left man. Move na siya, then mag plus 1 pag yun, so musaka pag yun siya 1 unit. So ang final position na siya diha. So gikan diha, then it goes upward. So the final position of your graph is this. So this is the graph of our f. Okay, so let's draw this again. So of course this is 1. Okay, so now this is our graph. So the range, so the domain, of course, it's very obvious that the domain is, all right, so set of all real numbers, right? So the domain is the set of all real numbers, while the range now is starts now from here gikan diha pasaka. So pasaka, so meaning the range now is equal to from set of all y such that y starts from 1 to positive infinity. Or in other words, this is set of all y such that y is greater than or equal to 1. So that's our domain range. Set of all y such that y is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so again, this is domain and range. So we're done. Hopefully you've got the idea of how to find the domain and range of an absolute value function. So that would be all for today's video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.